Coastal erosion is a pressing issue that affects communities around the world. One of the most immediate effects is the loss of habitats for various marine and coastal species. This loss not only threatens biodiversity, but also disrupts the balance of ecosystems. Additionally, erosion can lead to increased flooding and storm damage in coastal areas. As shorelines retreat, homes and infrastructure become more vulnerable to extreme weather events. This vulnerability can result in costly repairs and displacement of communities. The tourism industry, which relies heavily on beautiful coastlines, may suffer greatly. As beaches diminish, the attraction for visitors decreases, impacting local economies. And furthermore, the loss of sand dunes and wetlands can lead to increased pollution and reduced water quality. These changes can have long-term consequences for both human health and marine life. Ultimately, preserving our coastlines is essential for maintaining ecological balance and supporting local communities. We must take action now to protect these vital areas for future generations.